Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today's question is Geek and books. Geek has several competitive programming books and he wants to place books one on another like a stack. ये एक तरीके का this is a hint. We might require or we might need to use stack in this question. There are total Q queries of two types. First query is, this query is represented by place x, where x is an integer, represents a number of book Geeks wants to place on the top of the stack. And type 2 is represented by remove. After this query, print a book number which is at the top of the stack. Okay, if the stack is empty, then print -1 and remove it from the stack. Okay. There can be multiple books with the same number. Okay, got it. So गीक को एक स्टैक बनाना है जिसमें दो टाइप की क्वेरी आएगी. पहला, अगर प्लेस एक्स मतलब प्लेस फॉर एग्जांपल 6, तो 6 नंबर की बुक रख देनी है स्टैक पे, फिर 2 रख देनी. रिमूव रखना है तो जो भी टॉप पे है उसको हटा देना है, और कुछ नहीं है तो -1 प्रिंट कर देना. काफी सिंपल है. फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ टेस्ट केस, second line of input has Q and next Q lines contain queries. So idea simple hai. The idea is simple. We will use a stack, and every time we get this query we will push the item in the stack, and every time we get this we will just pop item from the stack, and in the end just print whatever was the result. Let's see. This is the usual. We need to iterate over all the test cases. First, number of queries. Okay. For each query we need to start accepting an input. So what we are going to do is we will maintain a stack of string which will have all the books and we will maintain a result string in which we will store whatever. Whenever a remove command is given, a query is given, we will just store whatever is on top of that stack at that particular moment. So we'll start iterating over the number of queries less than number of queries. Now we need to take an input which is the query. In case if the query contains the string called place, which is the first query, in that case we will just place that particular book, push it. We'll just split the query on the basis of space. So if it is written place X, so we just want to push the X part because that is what will be required when we get the remove query. So we'll just split it. After splitting the second part, every time place is after we split it, place will be at the 0th index of that array, x will be on the first index. We'll just keep pushing it in the stack. In case that's not the case, we get remove query, then we just append the top of it. So to get the topmost element, we can use peek, and then the stack is called books, and then after that we'll just pop it. Now one more case, in case the stack itself is empty, so let's add a check. If books count is greater than 0, then only do this, otherwise result string -1. Let's add space as well. Let's compile and see. Okay, as always we forgot to add this using directive in case we are using any collection. My code is not producing any output because we never wrote the output. Okay, we got the output 2, 3, -1, 5, which is matching this. Yeah, looks good. Let's submit it. Got accepted. Okay, thank you.